Using my new toaster oven, what's great about this is I've replaced not only a toaster oven that was really dirty and looking terrible, but it's white and matches my new kitchen. And it also has an air fry option, which is, you know, really cool. It has bake, convection baking, air fry, toast, broil, convection, and warm. So you can also warm it before your food. So far it's really easy to use. For toast, you can do light, medium, or dark. And what I like about this is you set your temperature and the timer at the same time. I used to kind of have to watch the timer on my old one, and I often forgot about it and I let it burn. So it didn't turn off on its own, so that's nice. And it also has this light function, which I didn't have before. So you can turn it on and off. I'm making tacos right now, or reheating tacos, I should say. This is the air fry basket that slips in there. The other thing I like about this is it has like a crumb catcher that goes on the bottom. My old one didn't, and it was always really super nasty in the bottom. Stuff would get burnt and crumbles, and it just always looked a mess and looked gross on the countertop. And also I want to show you the attached a cookbook that has a bunch of different recipes in here and different stuff like that. But I read the manual ahead of time and I've had no issues using this, and I just really love the retro look of it, of having a cream one, and they're really hard to find white ones like this.
As you can see, I've turned bake on. I go to turn it on here and the power light doesn't work. But if you go to the toaster oven, it works fine. So back to bake, turn it off, turn it on, and nothing.